Hi guys, I'm the Ancient Warrior. Welcome back to Prepping in Free America. If you like what you hear here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be the first kid on your block to know what craziness I'm talking about next, hit the bell icon with all. And leave comments, folks. Oh my goodness. I got a cat that just jumped up on top of the tires, and the dogs haven't seen him yet. They're in here with me. Are you gardening, folks? And don't tell me you don't have enough space. I saw a picture the other day of a woman, and I don't know exactly where she was at. I think she's somewhere in Europe. She had a window planter, and then she built another window planter that went out past it. She was growing tomatoes and peppers and stuff. You know, folks, don't need a whole lot of room. Just need to use the room you got smartly. Now my backyard is for these three guys. I tried putting a compost pile back here a couple of years ago, and the blue heeler got into it and made himself sick. So what do? Out front of the house right now, I've got all kinds of pots. The potatoes are growing like weeds. The onions and the garlic and the bunch onions are growing like weeds. Sweet potatoes, not doing a thing, folks. I'll try them again next year. I'll find out what I did wrong and redo them. Growing up, we never grew sweet potatoes, so I don't know much about them. If you have knowledge of how to grow sweet potatoes, let me know. Guys and gals, next year, when we do these videos, you're going to probably hear cackling off to the side. No, for those of you wondering, Kamala Harris will not be living here. There'll be chickens. City says I can have 4 or 5. I'll probably do that. On a free range type deal. You put your chickens out, they eat, they feed in one area, then you push because it's on wheels, you push them a little farther over and they eat another place. Before awful long, they've eaten all the weeds, the bugs, and all the minor stuff. I can't do it this year because too many states are starting to say you can't sell chicks due to the bird flu outbreak in Colorado and now in Oklahoma. So, and I need the chicken manure just purely so that I got extra fertilizer. I went the other day and didn't buy. Guy gave me about half a ton worth of cow manure. My neighbors have asked me to keep it covered. Wonder why. Guys, with that being said, get your gardens in. Do what you got to do, but start growing. Become a net producer instead of a net user. With that being said, I'm the Ancient Warrior. And remember, it's better to have this stuff and not need it than need it and not have it. Have a blessed day, folks. I'm out.